Hello children, today we can go with yesterday's example, same exercise 2.2, question number 5. Let p of x is equal to t square minus 15. So you see that here t term is absent, isn't it? So we can write t square is equal to 15. So t equal to plus or minus root 15. So this is very easy for finding the factors. Therefore the zeros are plus root 15 and minus root 15. So sum of zeros, what will come? Root 15 minus root 15, that is 0. That is same as minus coefficient of t divided by coefficient of t square. That is equal to the formula minus b by a. And product of zeros is equal to root 15 into minus root 15, that is minus 15. That is constant term divided by coefficient of t square. Hence, verify. So the rest of the example you practice in your notebook as homework. Let us come to the new topic, division algorithm for polynomials. So first let us discuss that in smaller classes itself you studied dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here in algebra also the same process we are applying. If p of x and g of x are any two polynomials with g of x not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial q of s and r of s such that we can write p of s is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x not equal to 0 or degree of r of s is less than degree of g of x. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. So this pattern of question what they will give means, they will give p of x and g of x and they ask you to find out what is the quotient and remainder and check this result with the division algorithm. Let us consider with an example. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus s square and verify division algorithm. So see children, in this question data, they are not given the terms in the decreasing powers of s, isn't it? So first what we have to do means, first we must write let p of x equal to minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And g of x is the second polynomial, that also they are not given in the order. So first we must rearrange and write. So we will get g of x equal to minus s square plus x minus 1. Then we can do as usual division. How we are doing numbers division, the same procedure we have to do the division. Okay. So in 8th standard, 9th standard and all you study this pattern of divisions. So nothing difficult in that. You see the question. The dividend, that is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 divided by the divisor is g of x, that is minus s square plus x minus 1. For dividing this type of polynomial, first you must see that what is the dividend first term? Minus s cube, isn't it? Divisor's first term is minus s square. So first you must do the division in the rough column, minus s cube divided by minus s square. We will get that as x. That x you must write in the quotient part as first term. Then this x you must multiply with the divisor and write below the same powers of x. Then as usual division we are doing the subtraction, isn't it? Here for doing the subtractions of polynomial, first what we have to do means change the sign of the second number. That is why I change for noting this one. You can identify that I did this with black color. Okay. So changing the sign. So next we will consider the new symbol only. Subtract that, so sq term and sq term get cancelled. 3x square minus s square we will get 2x square. 3x plus minus 3x plus x is minus 2x and bring down the last term 5. So our new dividend is 2x square minus 2s plus 5. So the first term of the dividend is 2x square. So 2x square divided by, the divisor will not change it, isn't it? Divisor's first term is minus s square. So you write 2s square divided by minus s square. We will get that minus 2. That you write as the quotient second term. Then multiply minus 2 by the divisor and write. Then change the sign of the second polynomial. Do the subtraction. We will get the first two terms as cancelled and 5 minus 2, that is 3, we will get as a remainder. Okay. So we will get the remainder as 3 and quotient as x minus 2. Next they ask you to find out, check this with division algorithm. So first you must write the division algorithm formula, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So polynomials multiplication already you studied in lower classes. So minus s square plus x minus 1 is our divisor. It is multiplied by our quotient x minus 2. We will get minus s cube plus x square minus x plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Then the remainder we are adding plus 3. So we will get the final answer as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. That is same as our the question data's dividend, isn't it? So we will get the product of divisor into quotient plus remainder, we are getting the dividend. So verified.